Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Rashid Kiani, and today I am delivering my 10th lecture. This is going to be the last lecture on the topic triangles, quadrilaterals, and polygons. This is chapter 11, D1 Mathematics, and I am doing exercise 11 C O levels in previous two lectures, that is in lecture 9 and lecture 8. I have solved 15 questions of this exercise, and today I am going to solve question number 16. And let us see the question number 16 in the book. So this is the question number 16, exercise 11C, D1 mathematics. And in question number 16, he is saying that in the figure ACJL, BCEF, DEGH, and IGJK are straight lines. So you can see ACJL, DEGH, BCEF, and KJGI. These are the straight lines, and you know what? BCA is a triangle where the angle at point C, angle at point E are right angles with angle C and angle D. All four of these are right angle triangles. BCA is a right angle triangle, DEF is a right angle triangle, KJL is a right angle triangle, and GHI is a right angle triangle. We put the sum of interior angles of these triangles AB plus 90 equals to 180 degree to get the value of angle A plus angle B, and so on. Hence, we have to find this sum, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F plus angle G plus angle H. We have to find the sum of these angles. So let us solve this question 16. So this is the question number 16 where we have to find this sum. As you know, this angle in triangle ABC is a right angle, and angle at point E in triangle DFE is also a right angle. Angle at point J in triangle KJL is also a right angle, and angle HGI in triangle GHI is also a right angle. So in triangle ABC, let us solve it from here. In triangle ABC, angle A 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Hence angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 minus 90, and angle A plus angle B is equals to 90. This is the equation number 1. Let us consider this as equation number 1, angle A plus angle B. Now let us consider the triangle DEF. Triangle DEF. In triangle DEF, we have three angles: C degree, D degree, and 90 degree. So sum of these three angles, C degree plus D degree, that is, or let me write it as angle C plus angle D plus 90 is equals to 180 degree, because the third angle at point E is of 90 degrees. So angle C plus angle D, solving this equation 180 minus 90, we get the second equation, that is angle C plus angle D is equals to 90 degree. This is the second equation. Now let us consider the third triangle KJL. In triangle JKL, we have the three interior angles, angle H plus angle G, and the third angle is obviously the right angle, that is the angle 90 degrees is equals to 180 degree. Hence we get the third equation, angle H plus angle G is equals to 90 degree. This becomes the third equation. And the fourth, considering the fourth triangle, that is GHI, in triangle GHI, we have the three angles, angle E plus angle F plus the third angle is 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Subtracting 90 from 180, we get angle E plus angle F is equals to 90 degree. This becomes the fourth equation. Now we add all the four equations. So equation 1 is angle A plus angle B, and the left side of equation 2 is angle C plus angle D, and the left side of equation 3 is angle H plus angle G, and the left side of equation 4 is angle E plus angle F. This is equals to 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, because right sides of all the four equations is 90 degree. We arrange these angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F plus angle G plus angle H is equals to, adding 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, we get 360. This becomes the answer of question number 16, and we have find this sum which is required. So this was question number 16, and now we will solve the question number 17. Question number 17 is, in the figure AFGJD, AGHC, BGFE, and BHID and CIJE are straight lines. That is AFJD, AGHC. Actually, this becomes a star, and between the star we have the pentagon FGHIJ. We have this pentagon, and at point A we have the angle A. You know what? At point F, the inside, this is the interior angle, and at point F, this is the exterior angle of this pentagon, and at point G is also an exterior angle. That is the angle FGA is exterior angle to this pentagon. Similarly, angle GBGH, angle BGH is the exterior angle of this pentagon. So in every triangle we have two exterior angles to this pentagon. In every triangle, in this star there are five triangles. That is, the first triangle is AFG. In AFG, the angle at point F and angle at point G both are the exterior angles, and we have to find the sum of this angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E. We have to find this sum. So let us solve this question. As the sum of exterior angles in a pentagon, sum of exterior angles in pentagon, its formula is n minus 2 times, sorry, sum of exterior angle in pentagon is 360 degrees. So sum of exterior angle is equals to 360 degree, and the number of sides in pentagon are 5. So each exterior angle is equals to 360. The sum of exterior angles, we divide it by 5 to get each exterior angle. Dividing it by 5, we get the angle which is equals to 72 degrees. It means each exterior angle in pentagon is equals to 72 degrees. So it means that the angle at point F is equals to 72 degrees, and angle at point G, which is the exterior angle of this pentagon FGHIJ, is also 72 degrees. Now we know the three angles in the triangle AFG. Similarly, the angle in the triangle BGH is this angle is 72 degrees, and this angle is also 72 degrees. Similarly, angle in CHI, the base angles, both base angles are of 72 degrees. This angle is also of 72 degrees. Similarly, in this triangle, both these angles are of 72 degrees. All these angles are of 72 degrees. 72 degrees. So first of all, we let us calculate the angle A in triangle AFG. So in triangle AFG, A degree plus 72 degree plus 72 degree is equals to 180 degree, because sum of interior angles of triangle is always equals to 180 degree. So A degree is equals to 180 minus 72 minus 72. Subtracting these two angles from 180 degree, we get the angle which is angle A degree, which is 36 degree. Let us represent this angle A degree by angle A. Angle A is 36 degree. Similarly, we can say that angle B is also equals to 36 degree. Angle C is 36 degree. Angle D is equals to 36 degree. Angle E is also equals to 36 degree. Now let us find the sum of these angles. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equals to, these are five equivalent angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let us multiply this by 5 times 36. Multiplying 36 by 5, multiplying 36 by 5, we get the answer which is equals to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So sum of all these angle is equals to 180 degrees. So this was the question number 17. Now we will solve the question number 18. The question number 18 is, the figure shows the part of n-sided polygons. N-sided polygon means this polygon has n interior angles and n exterior angles as well, where each side is produced such that A1, A2, A3, A4, so on, AN are the interior angles, all the A's are the interior angles, and all the X, that is x1 to xn, are the exterior angles. Okay, this is a part of n-sided polygon. Show that the sum of exterior angles of the polygons is 360 degree. That is, if we add all the exterior angles, then their sum becomes equals to 360 degrees. So let us solve. So this is the question number 18, where A1 is the interior angle and x1 is the exterior angle, and the sum of interior and exterior angle is equals to 180 degree. It means that a1 plus x1 is equals to 180 degree. Similarly, we know that a2 and x2 are exterior angles, so it means a2 plus x2 is also equals to 180 degree. Continuing this way, we can say that a3 plus x3 is equals to 180 degree, and so on, because this is the n-sided polygon and we have n number of interior angles as well as n number of exterior angles. So moving toward the nth angle, that is an, which was the interior angle, which is the interior angle, and plus xn, which is the exterior angle, their sum is also equals to 180 degrees. These are n equations written in we have. So now let us add these equations vertically. It means that a1 plus x1 plus a2 plus x2, adding the third angle a3 plus x3, and continuing this way till we reach the nth angle, that is an plus xn. Their sum is n times 180 degree, because every angle is equals to 180 degree. Every angle is equals to 180 degree. If we add these 180s n times, we get n into 180 degree as an answer. So let us separate a's and x's. A1 plus A2 plus A3 and up to so on, plus AN, plus separating the x1 plus x2 plus x3 and plus so on, plus xn is equals to 180 times n. Multiplying 180 by n, we get 180 n. You know what? All the A's all the A's are the interior angles of the polygon, and we know that the sum of interior angles of any polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degree. This becomes the sum of interior angles that all the A's represented. So we put the value of the sum of interior angles as n minus 2 times 180 degree, and we uh, let the axis in the same way, x2 plus x3 and plus so on, plus xn. We subtract this value in the right side and keep the values of x as the same, 180n. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 and plus so on, plus xn is equals to 180 80n minus n minus 2 times 180 degree. Simplifying this, we have 180n minus, multiplying n with 180, we get 180n minus, when multiplied with this minus, it becomes positive. 180 times 2 is 360. These terms cancel each other and we get the answer, which is equals to 360 degree. Hence it is proved that sum of all the exterior angles of this polygon is equals to 360 degrees. This was question number 18. I hope you understand that question, and with question number 18 this lecture ends, as well as the topic triangles, quadrilaterals and polygons also ends. I hope you understand this chapter, and if you have any questions, problems, or any confusions, you feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will immediately try to reply you. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the like button if you like the lectures. And in my next lecture, I will start the chapter number 9, which is ratio, rate, time, and speed. Chapter 9 of D1 mathematics. Till then, take care of yourself, and thank you very much.